Greetings, welcome to my channel, View from my desktop. Today we're doing an unboxing of a DAC from the company KGUSS. This is the DAC K3 PRO. And let's see here what we have here. Alright, we have one of them cards again that I do not know what it is. Kind of like a little fold out manual, looks like here, with English. I don't know, that may be Chinese. I don't know. Oh, multi-language. Has a power adapter here. I don't know if I can see what this says here. Look like it says 12 volt. And PC, USB. I should start selling those. Alright. Cute little DAC here. Headphone amplifier with a DAC. Says on here DAC K3 PRO. Look, there's a little button here to change the mode from coaxial, optical, USB. Has both headphone jacks, and I'm not sure what this is. It has a couple. This here seems like this here goes in and out too. This may be the on and off, I guess. On and off, and this is the mode selector, and this is the volume control. Okay, I'm assuming. And on the back, PC, USB, optical, coaxial, and RCA. I think these may come on. Yeah. It wasn't easy, but it wasn't too difficult. Okay, you can see now it's a coaxial, optical, coaxial RC out. And it takes a 12 volt, which is what the adapter said. Alright, not too heavy, it's okay, it feels okay. Alright, so we'll plug this up to, maybe I may plug this up to a some powered speakers, see how it works on them. Okay, alright, so that's it for this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.